Did you know that the Windows operating system has a magical keyboard shortcut that allows you to launch almost any built-in utility or system snap-in in administrator mode? This allows you to save time and generally makes the job easier. For example, let me show this using the command line as an example. First, let's call the Run window and open the CMD window using the standard method. Now let's repeat the same thing, but in the Run window, you press the magic key combination Ctrl-Shift and Enter at the same time. As a result, you may see a UAC window where you will need to click Yes. After this, the command prompt opens, but in administrator mode. Let's do the same thing and launch a PowerShell window. Everything will still work fine and call it in administrator mode. Let's try this on the MMC snap-in. For example, I want to run computer control. To do this, specify her name and also press Ctrl-Shift and Enter. Everything should open without any problems. As a result, I am sure that you will use this combination very often in your work, as it is simply convenient. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel. It will be cool if you support the video with a like and subscribe to the Telegram channel in the description.